Guess what? We're staying another night. I think I probably said yesterday, I think we're going to stay to the end of the week, and then go home Friday for Saturday. Hello, Mr. Cow, or Miss Cow, perhaps, Mrs. No, Mrs. Yeah, to say I got my granddaughter's birthday party on Saturday, so we'll get back for that. But I have actually looked. As I said, I've got a funeral next week, so I can't really go away then. But after that, I think I'll probably come back here for the last day of the season. And the little ride I was meant to be doing this time, I shall do then. Well, I'll certainly be kicked off of this site on the 30th, so, which is good. I won't have an option there, and then I'll probably, as I say, do what I was originally doing and head down to Swanage. All the campsites that I looked at don't close until the end of October, so that's good. We got to be in Salisbury on the 8th of October, so we can make a little tour of it to get there. I'll stick this ticket on the tent. Oh, we've actually not that you can see because it's all closed, we've changed around which way we're getting in and out. It's it's blowing north easterly, which way things were blows directly in the tent, so we're using the other side. I thought today we'd come on a little ride. We normally come home this way and head up there to the right, but there's a little cycle track up this way, or cycle route maybe. I just thought we'd take a look at and see where it is or where it goes. I think it goes to a car park. But yeah, just something a little different. I don't think we'll be going too far. It's warmed up, blimey, it's very warm. In fact, might have to take my thin jacket off. I think we're going to attempt to cook Spag Bol again tonight, except we won't buy the mint. We'll buy the mints and everything when we get back. Right, I'm going to go. This is rather bumpy. I'm always, or rather, the ride's always a bit smoother with a full bike on. Full load with all the panniers on. This is an excellent little track. We could follow it to Lyndhurst if we want. I'm not too sure whether we will or not. We'll see how it goes. I wouldn't mind betting at the weekends and holidays this gets quite busy through here. It's a lovely little ride. Right. Now we've got a crossroads, so I think we need to decide which way we're going to go. Right, it's just pretty sure it's left, but we'll stop and have a look. Morning all. Well, we're out on the bike today. We've just gone for a little ride around the forest. We're still in Brockenhurst. We'll be, well, I think we'll be staying here until Friday, and then we'll go home then. go up this way. Yeah, so we're just exploring. Actually, just turn you around if we find the best of spots to do it. Yeah, we're just exploring some of these trails that go through the forest. I don't tend to use them that much. They're usually a bit too bumpy, but to be honest, these ones don't seem that bad. So, and well, I'm not actually on a loaded bike. Let's turn it back. Oh God. Nope. Oh. Ah. Oh, skin. Sorry. Oh, right. Let's turn you around. We're gonna stop. Right, hold on. He only went that way because we was filming. We didn't want to go into the sun or turn around. Right, let's go up and see a bit more up here. Morning. Probably better have a look at the map soon. We will end up getting lost. I think if we continue on this route, we'll end up coming out at the top of the campsite. Yeah, because we're not going to Lyndhurst, obviously. Yes, I think we'll follow it through the campsite and then go into town to get some supplies. Yeah, I think I'm going to cook Spag Bol again tonight. Hopefully we'll get round to doing it. Don't know whether you saw that couple in the distance who were coming up that hill. They were lost. They're staying in the Balmerlawn Hotel, and they came out for a walk thinking they knew where they were going. Turns out they didn't. But I say there's loads of tracks, and we hopefully have put them on the right path. Not been out on the bike properly for a few days, and what have we done? Oh, we cut ourselves. How unusual. Still, they can get back to the hotel and have a nice G&T. Oh, God. Morning. Morning. Right, that's it now. We're just straight down here. Let's see what's happening. Ciao, thank you. Go, this is the little bit we cycled up the other day. Just down there is the gate to the campsite. There you go, and we're back in the campsite. And if we go through this bit, we'll be back at the tent. There you go. Oh, There we go. Right, but we're going to go into town, as I say, to get some bits for supper and some beer. Well, we got our supplies. Look, every day I've been to that baker's in the village and keep buying. Come on, come out. Look. I'll keep buying one of these. Oh. Going home. Well, don't think we'll be losing any weight on this trip. Yeah, a couple of crusty rolls and oh yeah, onion, mushroom and some mince for supper, which I'll put in this tank because that'll be nice and cool. And the roasting. Oh, well, half of them have just fallen off. Look, got my supplies for the afternoon. Right, I shall get on with this roll and all that bun, and I shall speak to you all later. Goodbye.